quick video on how to change a broken indicator lens on a Toyota Yaris, this being a 2015 model, but should apply to other Toyotas in the group like the Verso, etc., with similar setup. So all you do, this actually also doubles up as one of how to change that cover here if that breaks. So all you do, you squeeze this and then you pry it like that in the gaps there. You just gently do it, but remember these are plastic clips, so it should just come out like that. These are the holding clips, see, they're plastic, so they'll break quite easily. So once you've done that, then to take this off, on this you have to squeeze here and it comes out, and then on here, this clip here, you just have to push it down with a flathead screwdriver. So for ease of videoing, I've already done that. So I've squeezed here, use the flathead screwdriver there. There's another clip here, but once you've done these two, it should just easily pop out like this. And that's that. So the next bit is to take the indicator off, the bulb off, and then put the new one on. So here's the replacement part. Toyota charged £28 for this cheap piece of tat from China. Unbelievable how much they charge. But anyway, this is how it looks. Okay, and then I need to push that back in. So all it is, this is actually quite loose, and you just pull it out like that, and it just literally came off. I don't know if it's because the clip is loose. My apologies for the quality of the video there. Okay, so there it is. Okay, on to. So I'm going to attempt to video this while trying to fit it. So literally, no, I can't do it. I'm just going to squeeze that in. So I'll rejoin you once I've done that. Okay, let me just show you those two clips there. I'm just going to squeeze it in there. Bear with me. Okay, so I've done it now. So all I've done there is that there. I just, because I couldn't do this one-handed, I took the mirror indicator lamp and then just pushed and pushed it in there, married the two together, and they fit in quite nicely. And then all we do is put it back the way we did it, so that squeezy bit there and that there, just line them up, push them in, and it should click into place. And that's it. And then get the indicator cover. Bear with me. Hold on. Sorry again, because I haven't got assistance. So all I'm doing is taking these two clips here and just trying to marry it into the grooves here and here. So you just put it in like so, and then it should click into place, and that's it. Job's a good one. Hope that helped everyone. Please do like and subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.